Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. Then select Continue and click on Browse in the middle. Then choose Got it in this pop-up and finally tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!